Okay, I'm gonna do a bike check real quick. Starting off at the Kink Tocco frame, 20.5-inch top tube, in black, as you can tell. Then I have Colt Faith grips, really good grips, like them a lot. Then I have Primo Sam Squatch handlebars with an 8.5 rise, 28 wide. Colony official stem, Shadow headset. Then I have Fit Shift forks. Then an Alienation UL complete wheel and a Fit FAF tire. Then I have duo Resolite pedals with profile cranks, Odyssey MDS sprocket with a KMC chain. The bond bracket is Shadow. Deco Deck pivotal seat with a Stone Thermalite seat post. Then in the back I have a Maxxis Scripter tire with Alienation runaway rim with a Spanum double bud spokes and a premium stinger hub. Yeah, and I'll do a sound check real quick because yeah. That's my bike. It weighs 22 pounds. I'm going to be getting another grifter for the front, and once I do that, I'll do an update. Okay, bye.